Welcome back, guys. On this episode of Lime with Ling, I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing chicken wings and some beautiful French fries. So this is gonna help you maybe secure that date for Valentine's Day. Who knows? Let's see. Follow along. Okay, so what I want to do right now is actually just start by chopping or showing you how to chop a potato to make it into some French fries. I've done mine here, but I want to show you how to do one. So how I like to do it is just take the top and just cut right down. That'll make it easy for you to stand it up. Don't worry, we're not going to waste this bad boy here. Now we're going to cut this in half. Boom. Flat. Alright, and then we're going to go vertically all the way down and make some long strips. Same thing with this guy here. Oh, I thought we cut this one to make it flat. What happened? That one goes there. Try to go as vertical as you can. This one I didn't do so good, but you could do it. Alright, there you go. Perfect. Alright, now what we want to do is just slice them into the size of the potatoes or size of the fries that you guys want. Beautiful. Now what I'm doing is just quickly soaking it in some water. That'll help wash off some of the starch. It's a 3-stage potato French fries recipe. It's not hard, but I promise you some delicious, crispy French fries in the end. Now that I've shown you how to chop these potatoes into French fry looking things, let's boil some water and let's blanch these potatoes. As we let that water boil, let's season this chicken and get it in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes. Wings into here. I cleaned these already. I would rather you use some lemon and just wash it out and take out some of the extra skin, but I've done that so that you wouldn't have to watch that process. What I'm going to do now is season the chicken with a little bit of basil, bandania, and some scotch bonnet and garlic. At this time, a little bit of salt, paprika. This is smoked paprika, black pepper, and a little bit of vegetable seasoning. Now we're just going to rub these together. And drop them in the fridge to marinate. While that's marinating, I'm going to want to make my seasoned flour here. And the sauce that we're going to use to toss these beautiful chicken wings when they're done. So right now I just have about a cup of flour. In the cup of flour I'll be adding some same paprika, salt, black pepper, and the good old vegetable seasoning. We're going to give this a quick stir. What I like to use is just use a fork. And mix it together. You can see that paprika really gives a beautiful color to this flour. And not only that, some really, really delicious different components. Give it a proper stir, get all those dry ingredients together. Okay, let's drop this to the side now. Now that's ready. Let's go ahead and make our sauce that's gonna really bring a lot of flavor to these wings. Come on. Okay, so come over here. Let me show you how we're gonna make this beautiful sauce. When we get most of that butter melted, you can add some garlic. That was about 3 cloves of garlic. Let's get some thyme in there. Some honey. Give it a stir. A little bit of seasoning from before. Some salt, paprika, black pepper. Let's put this on a low. Let's let it simmer. Okay, so these potatoes have been boiling or blanching for about maybe 4 or 5 minutes. They are ready now. And all we're gonna do now is take it out and drain it. Now that we've blanched these potatoes, we're gonna flash fry it into this oil. To make sure we get crispy fries and not soggy fries, we're gonna take some paper towel and put it in the pan that you're gonna be putting it in. A simple seasoning, and these fries are gonna be life-changing. This sauce, we're just gonna taste for salt and sugar. Really, 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 really good. Let's cover that bad boy up. So now that we have these chicken wings here that have been seasoned for maybe how long did I say before? 10 minutes? I don't know, however long those things took to boil. If you had a little bit more time, I would put a little bit of buttermilk and let that sit in the fridge overnight, because that will really intensify the flavors. I'm just gonna add a little bit of cream so it can help my chicken wings stick to the flour. Just gonna add a little bit of cream to help the flour stick to the chicken wings. On the back side, boy. All right, there. Give it a quick turn. Now, move that to the side. Simply take the chicken wing and rest it in the flour. There you go. I have a little bit of panko on the side here. I'm just gonna put that on it as well. Those fries are almost finished, so we have to get this done quickly. Okay, so the French fries are finished. Come check this out. Okay, so now that we have the French fries cooked, let's put the chicken wings in. Now this needs to cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so as this chicken wings are cooking, let's season these fries with a little bit of paprika and salt and a touch of black pepper. Give it a quick toss. These chicken wings are looking really, really great. Still needs a little bit more time to cook. We've got our seasoned French fries over here. We're almost ready, almost done. And I can't wait for you to try this one. Your girlfriend or your boyfriend is gonna be more than surprised that you could pull out such a fantastic dish. And this one is really, really great. Okay, so now the chicken wings are done. Let's get them in here. Let's give it a toss. And guys, we're finished. Come check out how beautiful and crispy this looks. Now we're gonna add that beautiful sauce that we just made and give it a quick toss. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Help me make these videos and I really enjoy doing it. So if this impresses your girlfriend or boyfriend or whoever you're making it for, leave a comment below. Thank you very much and see you next time.